to the stage, I guess I always knew it would. I can't walk down my street. I'm getting death threats here and death threats there from everyone that I meet. But if they knew a thing about me, which they obviously don't, they wouldn't waste their time or their breath. I may be afraid of so many little things, but I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. I'm not so afraid of death comes crawling all the while. But I'm lost in my baby's smile. I'm gonna love that girl till the day that I die.
Oh, sorry.
It's getting to the point that I can no longer hold my tongue. I must permit myself to speak. I'll ask all of these player haters to tell of what injustice I've bestowed on them this week. But if they cared about my feelings, which they obviously don't, they wouldn't waste their time or their breath. I'm so afraid of loneliness and of apathy and of loneliness, but I'm not afraid.
I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid of death comes crawling all the while. But I'm lost in my baby's smile. I'm gonna love that girl till the day that I die. And I'll love her some more. Oh, Grim Reaper, can't you see? You don't put the shits on me, 'cause I've been following you for a long, long time.
Beautiful singing, folks. Wait to hear this.
Well, I may be afraid of many little things, but I'm not afraid.
I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid.
I'm not so afraid of death comes crawling all the while. But I'm lost in my baby's smile. I'm gonna love that girl till the day that I die. And I'll love her some more. Oh, Grim Reaper, why can't you see that you don't put the shit of me? 'Cause I've been following you for a long, long time. 'Cause I've been following you for a long, long